It has widespread application in almost every industry and is considered to be a big technological shift, similar in scale to past events such as the Industrial Revolution, the computer age, and the smartphone revolution. This platform gives an opportunity to gain expertise in one of the most fascinating and fastest growing area of computer science through classroom program that covers topics related to human intelligence and its application in industry, defense, healthcare, agriculture, and many other areas. Now I would like to inaugurate this program by remembering our chief patron, Dr. K. Somesh Rao, our beloved chairman, Secretary Sri L. Naidu Garu, and Treasurer Sri T. Nagaraj Garu. A person who is highly pronounced academician with high vision who always found time to look every minute matters related to the growth of the institution, who is none other our beloved director, Professor V.V. Nageshwar Rao Garu. I request Professor V.V. Nageshwar Rao Garu to please address the gathering.
Good morning. I'm Professor V.V. Nageshwar Rao, Director, AITAM Institute of Technology and Management. I'm happy to be here as a part of inaugural session of 1 week faculty development program on artificial intelligence sponsored by R&D Council for Technical Education under ATAL scheme. So this is our third faculty development program under the ATAL scheme. I'm very happy that we are able to participate in the ATAL scheme for the third time, where we are able to reach maximum number of faculty members and research scholars under the scheme. You know very well that AI is an emerging area where most of the services are simplified using the artificial intelligence. And I congratulate the coordinator, Dr. K. Yogeshwar Rao, and the head of the department and staff of Computer Science and Engineering Department of AITAM. And here we are inviting the various resource persons like Dr. M.K. Bhuyan, Professor, Department of Electronics and Electrical Engineering, Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati, and Dr. Srinivas Padmanabhuni, Professor, Department of CSC, IIT Tirupati, Dr. Pradeep Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of CSC, NIT Raipur, Dr. R. Sirisha, Professor, Department of CSC, Geetam, Visakhapatnam, and Dr. Shashidhar K. Kolagudi, Assistant Professor, Department of CSC, NIT Surathkal. So various eminent people are acting as a resource persons. I must thank all the resource persons accepting our invitation and to participating as a eminent speaker in this prestigious FDP under the ATAL scheme. Here, various topics are covered, including AI and machine learning, basics and components of AI algorithms, statistics for AI and ML tools and techniques, ML algorithm for real world application, introduction to deep learning, data reconstitution using the deep neural networks, artificial intelligence for image processing, and artificial intelligence and robotics. So, like this, very important topics are covered in this Fridays faculty development program. I hope all the participants will immensely benefit out of this program. And once again, I thank all the participants and the resource persons for be a part of this AI faculty development program, which was sponsored by AICTE. Last but not least, we must thankful to the officials of R&D Council for Technical Education who sponsored this program under the ATAL scheme. Once again, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, sir, for giving the brief overview of this program. Now I request our respected R&D Director, Dr. K.B. Madhusahu, to deliver his message.
Good morning to all of you. A hearty welcome you all for attending this 1 week FDP on artificial intelligence. Myself, I am Dr. K.B. Madhusahu, Director R&D of this institute, AITAM. It gives me immense pleasure to speak few words on this great occasion. First of all, I would like to congratulate the HOD of CSC, Dr. Jason Murthy Garu, convener of this event, and coordinator Dr. Yogeshwar Rao and other faculty members for organizing such a wonderful FDP on AI for the benefit of faculty members and research scholars. This 1 week FDP on artificial intelligence is very much useful and helpful to the young faculty and those who are doing the research. I advise all of you make utilize this workshop and interact with the resource persons. Nowadays, AI is the emerging area. So, with these few words, I wish each and everyone all the best and have a nice time. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. Now I'm glad to invite our principal, Dr. A. Srinivas Rao, to address the participants.
Good morning, everyone. I, Dr. S. Srinivas Rao, Principal AITAM Tekkali, feel happy to speak a few words about this occasion. It gives me immense pleasure to note that Department of Computer Science is organizing an ATAL FDP on artificial intelligence from 1st to 5th January 2021. I am delighted to note that delegates and speakers from industry, academia, state, and central government organizations are participating in this FDP. I congratulate and convey my wishes to Coordinator Dr. K. Yogeshwar Rao and Convener Dr. G.S.N. Murthy and all other faculty members of Department CSE for taking a good initiative and organizing this FDP in a great way. I also convey my thanks to resource persons Dr. M.K. Buyan, Dr. Srinivas P., Dr. Pradeep Singh, Dr. R. Shirisha, and Dr. Sashidhar for accepting our invitation and acting as resource persons for this program. I am sure that this FDP would provide a scholarly forum for academicians, industrialists, researchers, and students. The ideas and views of the delegates will be potential use for the future advancements in technology. AITAM, with its commitment to excellence in higher education, is indeed provide the host for this event, which we hope will discuss issues of great technological significance. On behalf of myself and AITAM, I congratulate the organizers and send my warm good wishes for its success. Thank you, one and all. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir. Now I request the convener of the FDP, Dr. G.S.N. Murthy, head of the Department of CSE, to give the convener report.
So good morning, one and all. I am Dr. G.S.N. Murthy, HOD of CSC, AITAM Institute of Technology and Management, Tekkali, Andhra Pradesh. So first of all, I take this opportunity to greet all the participants, resource persons on the auspicious day, that is New Year Day. So I wish each and everyone a happy, healthy, and prosperous New Year. New Year to all of you, and by God's grace, I feel that we come out of this pandemic at the earliest also. So once again, welcome you all to this 1 week faculty development program on artificial intelligence, sponsored by AICT ATAL scheme, scheduled from 1st January to 5th January 2021. So artificial intelligence is a burning topic now that everybody speaks, and most of the real-time applications are associated with artificial intelligence. And as a result, there's a huge demand for artificial intelligence, and particularly the specialization with deep learning and machine learning techniques. And there is a lot of research scope is also there as far as AI is concerned. So we thought of organizing a faculty development program on artificial intelligence. So as a result, definitely this particular faculty development program will enhance the knowledge levels of all the participants to greater heights also. And this is the second online faculty development program which we are organizing, and every year generally we use to organize these kind of workshops or faculty development programs to our faculty members and other colleges to explore themselves to latest technologies. And so coming to Department of CSE of AITAM, Department of CSE is offering one UG program, that is BTech, with intake of 180, and one PG program, that is MTech, with specialization of CSE with intake of 18. And the Department of CSE is accredited by NBA thrice, and recently we applied for re-accreditation under Tier 1 also. And the Department of CSE is also a recognized research center by JNTU Kakinada, and our strength is our faculty, and we are having 35 faculty members in the Department of CSE, out of which 11 doctorates, and 2 faculty members they are submitted and they are waiting for PhD bio-wise, and 9 more faculty they are pursuing. So this is definitely a very good news that most of the faculty members they are on their way of completing their PhD also. So the research component is also improving day by day as far as the CSE of AITAM is concerned. So definitely it's a proud feeling that we are organizing this faculty development program with the support of AICTE, and I am very much thankful to the AICTE and higher officials for sponsoring this particular faculty development program on artificial intelligence to all the faculty members across the India. We are very much thankful to the AICTE officials once again, and at the same time we are also very much thankful to our management for encouraging us to organize these kind of workshops, particularly our director, Professor V.V. Nageswara Garu, Director R&D, Dr. K.B. Madhusahu Garu, Principal, Dr. A. Srinivasarao Garu. Continuously, they encourage the department faculty members to organize these kind of workshops, maybe sponsored or non-sponsored, doesn't matter. So with these few words, just I want to conclude my speech, and once again I take this opportunity to wish all the participants and resource persons a happy New Year, and request all the participants to participate more actively in this faculty development program and see that it is a success at the end of the day. So thank you, and last but not the least, I'm very much thankful to the coordinator, Dr. K. Yogeswara Garu, who has taken initiative on filing the particular proposal and organizing this particular program on artificial intelligence, and I thank him for taking the initiative. And once again, I thank all the organizers and others who are supporting this particular faculty development program to a success. Okay, so thank you one and all, and thank you.
Thank you, sir, for giving the brief convener report. Last not the least, I invite today the coordinator of this FDP, Dr. K. Yogeshwar Rao, Associate Professor of Departments of CSE, to deliver the message on behalf of this program.
Thank you, Preeti Madam. Good morning to one and all. I, Dr. K. Yogeshwar Rao, as a coordinator for this ATAL FDP program on behalf of AITAM Institute of Technology and Management Tekkali, extreme my warm welcome to all the dignitaries, resource persons, faculty members of our institute, participants of various colleges across India for the inaugural session of 5-day online faculty development program on artificial intelligence, scheduled from Jan 1st to Jan 5th, 2021, which is ATAL Initiative. The true impact of artificial intelligence in its ability to break down the limits that people have been thrust off on this based on ability to rapidly transferring the knowledge to anyone to anywhere. Artificial intelligence is an approach to make a computer, a robot, or a product to think how smart human think. The aim of AI is to improve computer functions which are related to human knowledge, for example, reasoning, learning, and problem solving on this mode.
The main objective of this program is to enrich the knowledge of teaching faculty through interaction with experts from industry and academics. This, I am sure, will benefit to the faculty and society at large. The IACT ATAL is given overall participants limit is 250, but for attending this program, they are given 200 participants. Only all the 200 participants have responded all over India. I convey my thanks to resource persons Professor M.K. Beyond from IIT Guwahati, Dr. P. Srinivasarao from IIT Tirupati, Professor R. Sirisha from Getam deemed to be University, Dr. Shashidhar Kulavidi from NIT Surathkal, Dr. Pooja Jain from IIT Nagpur, Dr. Tapal Kumar Jain from IIT Nagpur, Chandrakant Dioda working as Senior Technical Delivery Manager DevOps for accepting our invitation and acting as a resource person for this program. I convey my thanks to AICT ATAL officials, Dr. Ravindra Kumar Soni, Director, Dr. Giridhari Lal Gar, Assistant Director. I also convey my thanks to our management principal and HOD for their constant support to make this event a grand success. Thank you.
Okay, I'll connect it. Just wait, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Just wait, madam. I'll connect.
Today is a great day. We all are fortunate as today's inaugural session, graced by a man of wisdom, treasurer of knowledge, and eminent academician, Dr. Pradeep Singh, head of the department in IT Raipur, who have accepted our request as a chief guest and resource person of this program. Now I take a pleasure to introduce our chief guest.
Sir,
Dr.
already
Pradeep Singh received a PhD degree in Computer Science and Engineering from the National Institute of Technology, Raipur, and the MTech degree in Software Engineering from the Motilal Nehru National Institute of Technology, Allahabad, India. He is currently working as head of the Computer Science and Engineering Department at the National Institute of Technology. He has over 15 years of experience in various government and reputed engineering institutes. He has published over 60 referred articles in journals, conference proceedings, and books published by reputed publishers including IEEE Transactions, Springer, Elsewhere, and iVoice Press, etc. He is also working as an active reviewer for many international journals and conferences. His current research interests include machine learning and evolutionary computing and empirical studies on software quality, software fault prediction models also. He is a member of various professional societies including IEEE, CSI, IETE, ISTE, and IE. He has published research papers in prestigious journals including IEEE Transactions on Systems, Man and Cybernetic Systems, IEEE ASEAN Transactions on Computational Biology and Bioinformatics, Swarm Evolution Computing, etc. He is the principal investigator of a research project funded by Chhattisgarh Council of Science and Technology, Raipur. He has organized two international conferences, technically sponsored by IE and CSI. He has also worked as a member of the organizing committee in several IEEE international conferences in India and abroad. Dr. Singh has visited several countries like Singapore, Spain. Two scholars have obtained PhD degrees under his guidance. Currently, 6 PhD scholars are working under his supervision. He has delivered numerous invited talks and plenary conferences and seminar presentations throughout the country and chaired the technical sessions in international and national conferences. Reviewer of several journals including IEEE and elsewhere journals of the domain. He is a senior member of IEEE, International Association of Computer Science and Information Technology, Computer Society of India, International Association of Engineers, and the Association for Computing Machinery. So we welcome you, sir, and very much thankful for giving me this opportunity to introduce such a great person. We rarely get opportunity to hear the words by great personalities. So let's invite our chief guest to share his message with the participants. So please.
Madam, just wait. Sir is connected.
Yeah, sure, sir.
So, madam,
Sir?
just
Sir?
wait, madam. Sir already informed. Sir is connected.
Okay, sir.
Just. Sir, yeah. Sir, you connected, sir? Yes, sir. Already admit you. Okay, view all. Yeah, admit all, sir. Already admitted. You join, sir. I'll give admission. Admit. Okay. Yes, sir. You are visible. You are visible. Yeah, it is a. You are visible, sir. Hello. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are visible.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Audible. Audible.
Fine.
Sir, very good morning and wish you a very happy new year, sir. We welcome you as the chief guest and the resource person of this FDP. Sir, the participants are eagerly waiting to hear your words. So please share the message with the participants, sir.
First of all, I would like to thank Director ATAL Institute of Technology and Management for inviting me in this FDP. Dean, participants, and participants from different part of country. It is indeed a pleasure for me to be part of this inaugural ceremony of ATAL online FDP on AI. I welcome you all, and the initiative of AICT for ATAL Academy to train teachers of higher educational institute started in 9 various areas, and last year we have conducted a few of them in our institute also. And these emerging areas are artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, blockchain, robotics, data science, cyber security, and lot more. So these emerging technologies are contributing immensely in designing the educational landscape of the country. So ATAL is playing a major role in delivering the content which are the latest need of industry as well as academia in order to upgrade teachers. And for this nature, a London-based organization has recognized these FDPs as world record. I think you are most of aware about this because AICT is going to organize 1,000 online FDP in over 100 emerging areas. And it will benefit around 1 lakh faculty members across premier institutes, IITs, NITs, and other premier institutes in India. Already 499 FDP programs have been already conducted, and more than 70,000 faculty members are benefited and trained by this. And these FDP are in the emerging areas, and now they have improved the number of emerging areas also, and it is now around 100 emerging areas. The main objective of ATAL Academy is to provide quality education, technical education in in the country and promote research. The objective is also promote research and entrepreneurship through training in various fields, emerging fields or latest technologies. And premium institutes like IIT, NITs, and other private institutes, central universities are organizing these ATAL FDPs. So the main objective of ATAL is to deliver the content, not only theoretical but also practical hands-on, so that it can be understood by the different new faculty members, and they can learn these new technologies, and they can educate the students of their college and institute, so that the students are going to be industry ready and equipped with the different new skills which is required by the industry. In the Corona time, you can say in the COVID crisis, these programs are really helpful for all of us, where we can have resource person from across the globe, as well as participants from different part of country can join it from their home itself. So this is all in brief about the AICT and ATAL program. Now AI, if you think for AI, AI is one of the emerging areas, and by uh, capitalist Kai Fu Lee, it has been said that AI is going to change the world more than anything in the history of mankind, and that is more than electricity. So we can visualize how AI is going to change, and in and around we can see how we are using in day-to-day life different things which are related with the artificial intelligence in our day-to-day life. And artificial intelligence, big data analytics, Internet of Things are going to have huge impact on ICT as well as in major industries where automation is being taken part. Or you will find that we are moving into the fourth industrial revolution, and in this industrial revolution, we need advanced technologies like cyber physical systems. Then AI, definitely AI is the part of each and every technology. If you think or engineering, it is part of cyber systems, it is part of IoT, it is part of data, it is part of robotics. And make this, we have to make these technologies to work for society and environment. And we need to learn these new technologies to support the industry needs for substantial development. Now, if you see in India, Indian government is also promoting startups and collaboration with IBM, and a lot of industry institute linkage program are happening. And IBM has started Blue project in which they are collaborating with the academia in the latest emerging areas and supporting research and development. So there are many startups in the country which are doing great job in the case of artificial intelligence, where we have image analytics, data analytics, predictive maintenance, predictive analytics, and all are the center of those companies. And it has been estimated that AI will add $957 billion to Indian GDP by the year 235, and boost Indian annual growth by 1.3%. So this is how AI is going to change the scenario, and we are going to have different products which are going to play a major role in our life, and we are going to use each and every at each and every step we are going to use AI-based systems. Also, if you see now, Indian government has started where defense forces are now ready to collaborate with the academia, and they are venturing in the product and technologies which add defense major using AI and new technologies in order to develop the different defense technologies which are related with the new technologies, AI, and all other different aspects. So we as human use technology to make our life easier, and artificial intelligence has its own potential to help people and address from start to small problems to big challenges that people face. For example, we are using in our home smart TV. We have a smart refrigerator, And now the concept of smart city, smart village, and all these things are none other than the application of artificial intelligence in collaboration with the data science and AI. So in future, better application of AI, we will see in our home, so that AI will decide what will be your next move or where you have to go. If you see how big companies are tracing, Google is tracing each and every move you search. They are going to give you the customized keyboards. So if you start typing, they are going to give you what next you are going to type. Likewise, they are going to give you the facilities which are going to help you in different aspect. So in future, AI will create a lot of job opportunities for all the people who are. Okay, sound is low.
Yes, sir, it is audible.
Okay. So in future, all AI will going to create a lot of job opportunities, and we have to get ready for these new challenges and technologies. So we need to learn these new technologies. So what we have to do, we have to learn these technologies. We have to practice these technologies so that we can impart high quality education to our student and can give into the society also. So AI in the media also have some negative side. We have seen in the movies also where AI has negative impact. Even though AI is going to have many advantage application, but risk is also involved, and it is totally dependent upon how we are or how human being is going to use it, or how human being is going to develop it, and how being are going to train it, or are going to provide intelligence into the system. So that is completely on human being, how we are going to train the system so that it is going to act accordingly for our benefit. So if we use intelligent machine, and then we need to be careful. We have to provide good input so that we can maximize the output of these machines. And it is well said by Stephen Hawking that AI is likely to be either the best or worst thing to happen to humanity. So the great scientist has said this, and now we have to learn these new technologies. That is all from my side, and I congratulate the organizing team of Aditya Institute of Technology and Management for this FDP on AI. And I am sure in coming days of these 5 days FDP will provide more insight on artificial intelligence and its techniques, and participants will be benefited by attending this course. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for giving the informational message and expecting to learn more from you in the coming sessions. Thank you, sir. As we are to be close the inaugural session, now I am going to propose the vote of thanks. First off, I would like to express my profuse thanks to our Director R&D Principal for their continuous encouragement and providing a stimulating environment for the continuous learning. Thank you. I would like to thank the coordinator and winner of this program who take inception to organize such events for the well-being of faculty. I'd like to thank our chief guest and the resource person, Dr. Pradeep Singh, who gave his availability by accepting our request in spite of his busy schedule. Thank you, sir. Extend my sincere thanks to the ATAL, who always provide support and encourage the educational institutions by sponsoring to organize technical workshops for the faculty learning. Finally, I thank my faculty members who have directly or indirectly gave their support. So once again, I thank all the team and have a pleasant session. My dear participants, please hang on tight. Technical session will be going to start within 10 minutes.
Madam Preeti, madam, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, thank you, sir. Pradeep Singh, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, can I start 11 o'clock, sir, session?
It is scheduled on 11:30, I think.
Yes, sir. 11:30?
Yeah, we can go for 11:30.
Okay, sir. Okay. 11:30 we'll start the session, sir. Okay, sir. Okay.